Are you wondering how to go from this to that? Does your dash camera pick up license plates? I'm asked this question over and over and over again. Well, guess what? Viofo has just released a brand new accessory add-on, a telephoto camera that will actually zoom in and works directly with the Viofo A229 Pro and the A229 Plus. We're going to go over some video footage, and I'm also going to show you the pros and cons of this new accessory add-on. Let's go. Okay, so as we're driving through downtown Vancouver, you can see the telephoto lens zooms right in and gets the license plate clear as day. Now the 4K camera below is still picking up the license plate. It's just a lot easier. But here, we're going to freeze frame it right here. This is a big challenge. Oncoming traffic. And you can see the GMC truck on the left-hand side. It's having a huge problem reading that license plate. We're still trying to get the dash camera technology to be solid to actually pick up that. So this is one of the challenges that I still see even with having the telephoto lens add-on. Now, as it drives by with the normal A229 Pro, we're still not picking up that license plate either. So it's not like the normal 4K dash camera is picking it up. The telephoto lens and the 4K dash camera are not picking up the license plate of that oncoming vehicle. We're now on Highway 1 in Vancouver. And you can see we can pick up the license plate with the normal A229 Pro and with the telephoto lens of the blue Kia Forte. Driving down this back road here in Abbotsford, BC, we're picking up the Toyota 4Runner quite easily with the telephoto lens. And as we keep driving forward here, coming towards the train tracks, you're going to see this truck actually come out and turn. And we're going to pause it right here. And as you can see, we're not picking up the license plate again. So the oncoming traffic is still a challenge. It still has that blur where we're not quite nailing it down. But if you take a look on the right-hand side at the Acura, you can see clear as day the license plate from far away on the telephoto lens. And as we keep driving closer to the railroad tracks, you can see we're picking up the license plates of the Jeep and the Acura with no issues at all. Needless to say, let's go over the pros and cons of this dash camera accessory. So let's go over how this works. First, you have your Viofo A229 Pro or your A229 Plus. And most people probably have a rear camera. I know most of our customers get front and rear coverage. So now you're going to have your rear 2K camera and your front 4K, or on an A229 Plus, a 2K front camera and a 2K rear camera. So now, if you want to use the telephoto lens, you're probably thinking, it's just going to plug into the interior camera port, Ben. It makes the most sense because most people run a front and rear combo. Well, guess what? It doesn't. They actually took it and it plugs directly in to the rear camera port. So now most people are probably thinking, well, what do I want? Do I want telephoto or do I want a rear camera? And for people who bought front and rear already, it just doesn't make sense, because now if you want to run the telephoto lens, you're going to have to buy an interior infrared camera and a 6-meter extension cable that will actually plug directly in to the interior cam port. So you buy a 6-meter cable now, so that way you can run an infrared camera to the rear, just so you can have front and rear coverage. Now, personally, I think what they need to do is they need to have the front camera, and they need to actually have 2 lenses built into the front. Now, I think the problem is then the form factor, it's going to get wider, right? And not a lot of people are going to like that because it's going to get big and bulky. So I think they're looking at this going, hey, like, what can we do? We'll make this an add-on. And I think it's cool because, I mean, they are trying different things. They're always engineering something different. And we love doing business with companies that are constantly trying to change, get better, compete. I mean, we love that some of our companies are buying each other's products. They're testing them out. They're learning from each other. That's awesome. But I don't know. I think it's kind of cool, but I'm not 100% sold on how they executed it yet. But really, let me know what you think in the comments. Maybe you think this is awesome and you want to get one right now and you want to find a way to get one. I could tell you we don't currently have ones yet, but when we do have them available, we're going to have the 6-meter cables in stock so that we can sell an infrared camera for the rear. So if people want front and rear coverage, they can still have that. So there you have it, our rundown on the telephoto camera add-on from Viofo. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are looking for a dash camera in Greater Vancouver or Greater Toronto, Safe Drive Solutions is available to install your dash cameras, and we also will supply them to you. Thanks again.